Hello and welcome to the Paris Air Show. The Unison team has flown to Paris for the 2015 Paris Air Show. We've had a tremendous amount of meetings with customers, suppliers, as well as doing some tremendous displays and enjoying French food. Airbus and Boeing have continued their long history of building a backlog, with Airbus announcing $15 billion in orders and Boeing following that up with even stronger $18 billion in orders. Other news in the demonstration area, if you haven't been able to see the YouTube video of the 787 doing a vertical takeoff, that was pretty impressive. Also the A400M and the Airbus A350 XYB was on display, and that is a product where our solid state ignition will be launched on.